Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're interested to see what Mrs Vee spent from October the 15th through the 20th, stay tuned. All right guys, it's time to share with you what I spent October the 15th through the 20th. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have already put my little labels down so it won't take so long. And so yeah. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and I'm on a journey to retire early. Yes. So part of me retiring early is to get serious about my money, which does not mean that I'm not spending money, but I'm just strategic about how I'm spending. And if you want to follow along in my journey, stay tuned. And, you know, tap that subscribe button at the bottom of the video. So these are the stickers that I'm using from A Pink Cloth Life, and of course I got this planner from the beautiful Paper by Mo. All their information be linked in my description box. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So Friday, October the 15th, I stopped. Y'all know Mrs Vee, I had to get my milkshake. You know the milkshakes at Arby's from 2 to 5, they $1. So I wait till 2 o'clock to get me a milkshake most of the time. So I spent $1 out of my eating out budget, and I'll place on the screen my budget for each category, and I also place my little cheat sheet right here. Each category, each sticker represents a category that I budget for. So I'll have this linked in the video so you can follow along. Yeah, and then I went to the Dollar Tree and I spent $8. I budget out $15 a week for Dollar Tree. Then that Saturday, I did a little bit. I picked up a soda out of a vending machine for $1. It came out of spending, and spending is dark pink, so I'm gonna do $1. Then I went to Subway and got a sandwich, and it was like $5, so that came out of the eating out category. And that same day I went to CVS and got a good deal on some wipes that were 90% off. I insert them on the screen. I spent $2 out of household. So that's it for Saturday. So Sunday, only thing I did was, I bought this nutritional drink that the guys were drinking at work, and I tried it out. It was pretty good. It was $7, so that came out of the eating out budget. I give myself $15 a week for eating out. Then on the 18th, that Monday, I hadn't had a Pepsi in about 3 days, so I stopped and picked up me a Pepsi for $1. Then Tuesday, I did a lot of shopping Tuesday, but it was already budgeted for, so that's what we're doing. The sinking funds are for us to spend. So let me see if I can add this up. So for spending, out of spending category, I went and got me a pedicure, which was $40. Then, what else came out of spending? I think I was out of eating out money by this time, or close to it, so we're gonna go ahead and add $5. I stopped at McDonald's and got something from McDonald's, so that's gonna put this $45 out of spending. And then I don't know what, I think I did something else that day and took the money out of spending, but all I'm going to write down is $45 right here. And I went back to CVS and picked up some more household items, and I spent $8 in household. Green is household, so I'm gonna put $8 right here. And then, and I spent that last $7 that I had in the budget at Dollar Tree, and I spent $7. Let me see if I can get this to right. I got a little piece of tape here because sometimes these stickers aren't as sticky, so I had to make it work. So I'm gonna do Dollar Tree right here. Oh, it's the ink pen, it ain't the $7 for Dollar Tree. I know that's messy, but I know what it is. Okay, so we did spending, household, and Dollar Tree on this day. And then as you notice on the last day I don't have anything. Guess why? Yay! We finally got a no spend. But guys, guess what? I'm not gonna reach my goal of 15 no spends for the month of October because there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days And I know I'm not gonna do a no spend the rest of the month. So the idea is that I set the goal, and sometimes you just don't meet them, but you just try again next month. So we don't be hard on ourselves. Give yourself grace, because it's real life. This is not a scripted TV show. This is real life over here on Mrs Vee channel. So yeah, so that's it. That's what I did for the 15th through the 20th. So let's see how much we have left. I know the numbers are off, so I'm not even gonna try to add and subtract and all that. I'm just gonna tell you what I have left. So let's go ahead and see what we have left in our wallets. So first one is household. We spent all our money at household. Remember when we went to CVS, we spent $2. I had $10 for household, $2 one day at CVS, and the next day I spent $8, so that's that $10. But personal, we budgeted $10, and we have the $10 left. Yay! So we have $10. I'm gonna add it up as I go. I'll do that. So we're gonna do 10. And next is spending. We budgeted $100, and I'm just gonna count what I have because I lost count of everything. 10, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2. So we're gonna add 32. So we got a total of 42 so far. We're gonna put this back. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out for my next video because I'll show you what I do with the rollover money. Then Dollar Tree, we spent all the Dollar Tree. Remember that Friday we spent $8, and then that Tuesday we spent $7. That's the entire $15 that I had budgeted. Restaurants, eating out, we used the $15 for that. And guess what? You didn't hear me say anything about groceries because my daughter was nice enough to buy us groceries this week. And so I have my entire $50. Yay! So I think that's great. So let's make sure we have $50 here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yes. So we'll add 50 to that 42. I say $92 this week out of $200. So I think that's great. So come and check me out when I do my cash envelope stuffing, when I restuff my envelopes to see what I do with this $92. Yes. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Let me know in the comment section. Did you stay on budget this week? Yeah. I generally stay on budget with the envelopes, mainly because I give myself $100 a week spending, and so that's why I'm not going to adjust the amounts of any of the other categories, because if I need anything else, I'll just take it out of spending. So yeah, so that's it. Thank you and have a nice day.